Hi everyone, this is Pat. Wait, what's my name? So, hi everyone, hi world. My name is Pat, and I am starting a YouTube channel, just like everybody else in this world. My daughter asked me if this is what I was gonna wear, if I wasn't gonna do my makeup or do my hair, and I was like, this is me. That way when I do put makeup on, or I have a little bit on now, but if I do get dolled up, there's a difference, right? I don't want you to see me one day and I have no makeup on. You're like, who's that? Let's unsubscribe. But first of all, you guys need to subscribe, right? Is that what it is? Okay, subscribe? Okay, subscribe. I'm 53 years old, so I really don't know how this stuff works. Let me tell you how it got started. So I shop a lot. I shop on HSN, QVC, Evine, which is now called ShopHQ. I like to go to the Container Store. Target is a must. And all other places. I'm not necessarily too much into deals, but organization is probably my main goal for shopping, and obviously keeping up with the new style and clothing. But so my daughter, going back to the reason why I started this YouTube channel, my daughter started seeing all my boxes pile up. I wish you guys can see them now. It's probably, I want to say, I'm 5'2", my boxes are like 5'4" at least. So she said, Mommy, you need to do something with these boxes. I think you should just start a YouTube channel with opening boxes. And I don't want to just open boxes. I want to open them, review the product, and not just those, just other things. I want to talk about makeup. I want to talk about clothes. I want to talk about homelessness, politics. No, let's not go there. But I want to talk about everything under the sun, and that takes me to how I got the name. My YouTube channel name is Everything Under the Sun. Like I said, I have a ton of boxes. I don't know what I'm gonna review first, and I'm not really ready to review because honestly these boxes have been piling up and I don't know what's in them anymore. So I think the first thing we need to do is start opening up some boxes like it's Christmas. So if my assistant can get me some boxes. Assistant Jalen, is this how Amazon Prime does it now? All right, so obviously this is from HSN. See? HSN, you might be reading it backwards. I think this box has a twin assistant, and I need my handy dandy box opener. Don't toss that. Woo! So let's see what we got. I finally get to open a box. So wait, let's talk about these scissors. I think I got this from QVC or HSN. Now I have two pairs. They sold them as a pair. One I use for opening boxes, opening mail, and just other opening toys, toy packages that they make for kids that no one can open. So that's what this is for. It has a lock here, so when you close it, it locks. But I use the other one for the kitchen because I use it to cut vegetables and chicken and fish. It's handy when you're just trying to cut a box open like that. Isn't that cool? All right, let's see what we got. All right. I shouldn't have made that face because everything I order I love, but I have so many of these. What this is, it's called Perlier Golden Almond, and it's a body oil. I love body oil. So I take my showers at night, so when I get in the bed, oh, this is the same color as my phone, cool. So I take my showers at night, and you want to take your showers at night because you don't want to get in the bed dirty. But yeah, I take my showers at night and I put my Perlier body oil all over my body. It smells so good. But I ordered this on auto delivery, so that means every few months I automatically get it. Ah! Okay, here, let's try it again. All right, my delivery gal. Yes, another box from HSN. Here we go with my handy dandy scissors. Wow, did my cameraman just leave me? You can't leave me alone. If this is another one of those Perlier stuff, I really need to stop. What is this? Oh, So, another thing on auto delivery. Again, recycle. We are trying to save the planet. Another thing I have on auto delivery, and I don't have my handy dandy glasses, so I can't read this, and I'll review it next time. But this is from Perlier as well. Oh, it looks like my assistant is getting my glasses. Don't buy these scissors. Oh, caught it. Michael Kors. So this is pure hyaluronic acid gel. That's what you need to stay young. It helps with wrinkles from what I heard. And again, 53. So it probably works. Or it's maybe because I'm black and Filipino and black don't work, is from what I heard. But here we go. I feel like it's like something really important, like for my face. And I only use 2 drops. So when I wash my face, this is the first thing you put on. It's like a serum. All right, do I have another package to open? While I'm waiting, I'm going to break down these boxes. All right, maybe my assistant can do that. What is this? Oh, it's a bigger box. I think I just got this box today. What is this? Oh, this is, this is Chorus, which is another product for the skin. I'm not sure what it is actually. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now this is from Beauty Bioscience. I bought this years ago. Well, another version of this years ago. Now I think this was on sale for less than $200. But if you shop on, where did this come from? HSN. Now there's phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And then there's phase 4. Now some people, because this is the most potent, some people feel that you can go to phase 4 right away. No, you cannot. All it takes is 1 squirt or 1 pump from phase 1. There's 2 pumps here. So phase 1 would have 2 pumps. Pump 1, pump A, pump B. Pump it in your hand and, just, what is this called? Rub your hands together. And then just put it all over your face. And you do that for 14 days. After that, you move on to phase 2 and then phase 3. And then the last is phase 4. This is another good thing for your face. And I swear by this. If you don't buy anything else that I'm telling you to buy this. I swear it works. Oh wait, there was something else in here. Oh, okay. So this is also from Beauty Bioscience. It's lifting eyelid cream. Since this worked really well, I'm hoping this would work well as well. But it came as a duo, so I have 2 of them. All right, I think this is gonna be the last box for today. Now this is from QVC. Let us open the box. What is this? Okay, I don't think you guys need to see this because I don't want you guys to see my size. This is called Women with Control. It's like a legging, like pants, but it's shapewear pants. I think these are really good. Look, my daughter's looking at them like, But maybe I should do clothes and, try on an outfit. White pants might be on. I might be wearing it on my next video. And this is a top. I don't know why I got it. I think I figured it goes with the white pants. Ooh, what else is in here? More pants that I probably already have. Oh, I wanted these shoes. So these shoes, I have my little, can you guys see my booties? These are cute. My granddaughter has been chewing on them. Okay, I've been waiting on these shoes. You guys might not like them. I don't think my daughter will like them, but it's from Taryn Rose. All right, she has a lot of cute, unique looking shoes. And these are just black slides, I think. Okay, we were at my aunt's funeral about a month or so ago, and my niece was wearing these black slides, flipping and flopping in these black slides. She had a nice dress on, and then she had these ugly black slides. And what do I do? What do I do? I bought me some black slides. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Are they cute? I think they are. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, you're so cute. Hey, grandbaby. Hey, grandbaby. Come here. This is Sienna. Say hi. Say hi, Sienna. She's a party Yorkie. Party, P-A-R-T-I, not P-A-R-T-Y. She's a party Yorkie. She was born the day after Thanksgiving 2019. She's 3 pounds now. She's probably gonna get to 5 pounds and that's it. All right, stop acting up. We got company. Here, go. All right, that's it for now. There's gonna be a lot of stuff. Vacation videos with me and the gang. And when I say gang, you guys would be surprised. So apparently that was not right. I'm not done. I'm supposed to say, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Not or. Do both. Thumbs up, subscribe.